Hey friends, if you wish to password protect your screensaver on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So simply search for screen space saver. You'll get this option for change screensaver here. Click on it. Now you can set whatever screensaver you want to. And then there will be an option here on resume display logon screen. Okay, on display resume logon screen. Now I'll tell you what this would do. Whenever, let's say, okay, whenever you are out of that screensaver, I mean, whenever someone wishes to, what do we say, come out of that screensaver and hits a key on the computer. Now, ideally, it would immediately reveal anything that's on your computer. But if you select this option and click on apply and then on OK, it will redirect you to the logon screen where you would have to enter the password and even the ID to log in, but mainly the password. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.